So today we're going to be discussing how we're going to be using these low and high tech integrations in class. So for my low to no tech integration, I would recommend a fidget toy for a child with an auditory processing disorder. A lot of times this is not necessarily a fix to the actual problem, but it helps create a better environment for the student to focus on one sense. Oftentimes with auditory processing disorder, it's inflamed in a loud environment where the child isn't able to focus onto their one sense of reading or listening. With something like a fidget toy or a stress ball, this child can be mindlessly focusing on some of their motor skills while their hearing and their listening are a little bit more in tune when they have a clear environment and more of a clear head. For my high tech, I recommend a speech to text tool. So it's kind of like it'll generate captions for a lesson. I find this to be extremely useful, especially in a lecture setting where children or students are expected to take notes or pay attention for long periods of time when an adult is just talking at them. Something like this allows for a child to still wander in their mind when it happens, because it's going to happen, while also being able to go back and read over what they're listening to, or simultaneously listening to the lecture. And if they need that extra sensory, such as reading, putting their sight to words, it really helps benefit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. Record audio. I have to sign up. This is a free tool. So it should be relatively easy. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and record audio. Allow. Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Autumn. I'm going to let it kind of process. See how long this takes in real time. This is taking quite a while. All right. Well, what this tool is supposed to gauge is that when an adult's speaking, or if they're listening to some important video or some kind of audio where they're having trouble focusing or having trouble conceptualizing it, and actually understanding what is being said instead of just listening and knowing the words, this allows the child to have another step. And this app specifically is taking a while, but I'll include a whole bunch of other free resources when it comes to speech to text tools and auto-generating captions. Thank you.